Right, so my Bose Mini Soundlink speaker is, I think, broken. Because, well, if you listen, it's this thing, when I plug it in, it has the sound when I plug it in, and when I take it off. But, when I go to turn it on, well, it's gonna be hard. When I go to turn it on, it doesn't turn on. But, I've checked it. Yes, if it doesn't turn on, I've tried to pair with it. It doesn't pair. I've tried looking at the battery, and I don't have the screwdriver to take out the battery to look at it. But I looked at all the technical information. I think I may have undervolted the battery and just destroyed it. But I may have overvolted it or undervolted it, because I'm pretty sure there was a long-lasting brownout. For everyone, if you don't know what a brownout is, it's where the voltage to a house or part of the grid is significantly lower and lights effectively turn brown. So, and you can't use computers because they'll pretty much fry themselves. If you have any suggestions on what might have happened and what I can do to fix it, please post it in the comments. I like the speaker. I don't want it to die. Okay? And I don't think I've spilled... Well, I know for a fact I haven't spilled anything on it, but I've left it in the car overnight, and I may have gotten rained on. I'm not sure. And also, right when I got it, I kind of dropped it right out of the case. When I realized what it was, I was surprised, and I dropped it. But it worked, and I think that may have weakened it. And I don't know what happened, but if you have any suggestions of what I can do to fix it, maybe what I can do to bring it back. So, yeah. Please help.